friend of mine sent me this video from NASA which reportedly shows the Orion capsule's separation from Artemis 2. It's reportedly the same separation shown from either side as it separates from the support module. As you can see, there is what appears to be a concave section in the Orion capsule with what appears to be a small hole. The question posed to me was, what is that, and how in the world do astronauts fit through that small hole? So let's deep dive into this short video. In order to transit from the support module to the crew module, the astronauts first shed their bulky spacesuits. Then they lather up with copious amounts of Nutella. This lubrication allows them to squeeze through the transit orifice safely into the crew module. Of course, I'm joking. NASA claims that the astronauts actually never leave the crew module at all. What's confusing is the video appears to show something that is concave. And I think what NASA's graphics department was actually attempting to show was a convex crew module, the heat shield on the convex heat shield, which is supposed to be reflecting the concave support module where it attaches. Why do I assert that it is meant to be convex? Because all of the available images of the heat shield clearly show it to be uniformly convexed. In addition, there's a shadow in this video which indicates that it is meant to be convex. The hole itself, or transit orifice, is easy to explain. It's one of 4 compression pads designed to carry load. So you can be forgiven for being confused by the video because they clearly got the reflection all wrong. And I'm going to explain how. A convex mirror bulges outwards, so the incoming light rays reflect off of different parts of the curved surface and they spread outward after reflection. Because those reflected rays diverge, your eyes trace them backwards to a smaller virtual image behind the mirror. That's why convex mirrors show a wider field of view, but they make objects look compressed and further away. You've probably seen this at your local supermarket. So if the reflection were shown accurately, it would actually appear like this on the other side of the convex reflective heat shield. So why would they show the reflection in the wrong side, you may ask? Actually, it's a common problem in CGI rendering videos, particularly. So I say the software is using a fake reflection texture probe or screen space method rather than true ray traced reflections from the actual convex surface. We can see this same reflection problem in a much earlier Lockheed Martin CGI video, and that does not claim to be real, unlike the NASA video, but you can see the same problem here. So, while I love the idea of the astronauts lathering up in Nutella, more likely it's just a bad fake video.